everyone, welcome to another episode of the Polkaros Podcast, where I chat with fellow craftspeople, artists, designers, and creatives about their works and how they navigate the modern world. In this episode, I'm very excited to chat with Cheryl from Bead Bad Wolf, who runs a very cute and colourful craft studio at Stamford's Arts Centre, which is located in the heart of Singapore's Waterloo street arts belt. With a background in fashion, Cheryl first started Bead Bad Wolf to share her passion for embroidery. Now her studio offers an array of craft workshops and to make craft accessible to all ages. So I hope you enjoy this episode and our conversation together. Welcome, Cheryl.
Hi.
We're very happy to be able to record this episode in her beautiful studio that's quite new still, right? Is it? How long have you been here?
I think 8 months
8 months. But it's very, very colourful and cute. And we have seen you set it up on IG. So it feels like we were invited in through the whole process. So it feels very new still to me. Yeah. So how has it been like being in this place? And tell us more about where you are located actually.
Okay, so here is at Stamford Arts Centre. It's in the middle of like Bugis and Bencoolen, very near my old school NAFA. So basically here it was a very accidental find. I didn't expect to find a place like this, but when I first came for viewing, I was like, I fell in love with the place. Okay, especially the red windows.
Yes, the decor, it's very colonial style, right?
Yes.
And then the red, they painted the windows red, which is a very nice pop.
Color,
the accent is very good. Yeah. So what else do you like about the space?
Oh, okay. So this space is very spacious, but it has this very like old school vibes to it, like the surrounding and all. So basically they have a lot of like dance studios upstairs, theatre, black box they call it, upstairs as well. So all in all, the place is very artsy. So I felt like my craft studio really might suit the vibes here. So I was like very happy when I got the place.
Yes, it's kind of like a dream studio, right? Like you get to do all that you have ever dreamt of.
Yes.
Yeah, tell us more about what you do in this studio.
Okay, so basically I run craft workshops, you see. So everything from embroidery to tufting to punch needle, okay, everything that is like under the textile umbrella. Then recently we have this hand knit bag, which is popping off, I guess. And then, so basically everything that's crafty and like something we want to create like something more accessible for everyone of all ages. So like kids can join, like retirees can join, that kind of
that's such a
vibes.
great idea. Like, bringing craft to everyone, right? Like, there's like, so how do you keep the craft kind of simple enough so that it, more people can attend?
Okay, so basically in terms of like teaching wise, we try to break down in like smaller steps and we really teach very basic techniques in the buffet, basically the craft buffet.
So you have this thing called the craft buffet.
Correct.
Right? Okay.
So craft buffet is like, like the beginner's option to craft. Then something a little more intermediate, we call it like the committed crafter kind of thingy. So a bit more in-depth into the certain craft, but maybe like 3 or more hours of focus.
So craft buffet, do you need some experience or is really for anyone?
Beginners. Yes.
But it's I understand it's self-guided as well.
Oh, yes. Correct. So self-guided in that sense, while they can choose their own patterns, whatever fabrics that we have, they just choose on their own. We only teach them very basic techniques and then they'll be on their own to try out and explore.
Do you have like an instruction sheet or video or is it usually
usually,
by an instructor?
Yeah, instructors will teach them.
I see. So currently, how many craft types of craft can you choose from?
7.
Wow.
Yeah. So we have like painting, embroidery, we have weaving, ledge hook. Then we have like collage, mosaic. Yeah.
Wow. And tufting is not part of this, right?
Not
Because
part
it's
of, I want to say punch needle, but that's not part of it.
Oh, I see. Wow. And you were saying the hand knit bag is one of the more popular. Is it under the craft buffet?
Oh, no, it's not under the buffet though.
Oh, so under the buffet, what is one of your more popular?
I think so far, right? Painting and embroidery. Yeah, because I think like some people who like don't have like needlework skills, they want to go for something simpler. So painting is their option. Then embroidery is like for people who like want to try out but they've never tried. And then I think at the buffet is a pretty good start for them to kickstart their embroidery.
So far, based on your experience, what kind of do you have all ages and all kinds of people from all walks of life coming to experience craft?
Yes, actually from like young kids, I think